With Semiosis 101, I am lifting the veil of semiotic theory to show the alignments to what creatives already do. In translating arcane semiotic terminology into your existing creative process, Semiosis 101 brings Peircean semioticians and creatives closer into a mutually beneficial communicational situation. Let me summarise how ideation is essentially semiotic. Brief. Research, idea generation, idea selection, idea development, outcome. That is a creative process. It is not linear, as each step in itself is fluid. Next week we will explore this semiotic topic with the design double diamond. The brief sets the communicational problem to solve. Research provides the creative with contextual knowledge to provide understanding and insights into both the brief's topic and the target audience. These insights provide initial ideas. The creative then can begin sketching possible visual ways to convey these ideas to the audience.